Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Bluetooth device keeps disconnecting from your Honor 600. So the easiest solution to this is resetting your network settings. This will also affect your Wi-Fi, so you're gonna have to reconnect to the Wi-Fi that you're currently connected to and re-enter the password to it. Once you're ready to perform this operation, go to Settings, then System and Updates. Here we're gonna have to find backup and reset, then reset network settings, confirm, enter your pattern or password, and once you see the notification that network settings have been reset, we can go back to settings. Now additionally, you can go to About Phone section, tap the build number 7 times, enter your password once again to enable developer mode, then go to the top of the settings and search for HCI until you find this option, and make sure to disable Bluetooth HCI Snoop Log. And after that, re-enable your Bluetooth and try reconnecting to your Bluetooth device. And that should resolve your issue. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.